Alright guys, this is part 2. Tried to use these pieces but they didn't work. Seems like they're for bigger chaff or something going on. So what I did, is put it like that, the spring, grommet, so it pushes the chaff out. Put some of the Loctite retaining and put these little caps, slowly put them in there. Slowly put it in there and tapping slowly around the center until they lock in place. Hopefully this thing will hold. I try everything. I was gonna weld it, but I found out this solution. So I try silicone, I try JB Well, I try glue, every single thing, and they're still leaking. So hopefully this solved my problem.